Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about GAMDIAS Chione M4 LCD display liquid CPU cooler. So friend, GAMDIAS has launched its innovative and customizable CHIONE M4 LCD display liquid cooler. It delivers powerful cooling for your CPU through its patented inline PWM pump, 32 thick radiator, hydraulic ARGB fans to reach an advanced level of coolness. It also features a 2.1-inch LCD screen on the water block that displays CPU temperature, fan speed, and pump speed states in real time. And CHIONE M4 AIO comes with 2.1-inch LCD screen on the water block that displays the CPU temperature, fan speed, and pump speed scales to enable users to monitor essential system status in real time. And the light software allows full customization of charts and temperature unit displays. The patented inline pump is designed with PWM control, stable and powerful liquid circulation which can cool down the CPU temperature effectively while minimizing the vibrations to ensure a silent and steady operation. And the 32 thick radiator features much denser radiator fins for improved cooling performance. The increase in dissipation surface allows the radiator to provide excellent performance. And friend, both are built with 120 PWM fans that can operate up to 2000 RPM and provide airflow of up to 69.01 CFM. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon